Day 2 of being in Canada. We're literally watching Detroit. What you're seeing right now, I don't know, it's just Detroit. I don't know what we're gonna be doing after, but I had a 1-hour VC with my friend. Told him everything. Man, the view's so great. It's beautiful, as a matter of fact. That thing over there looks so nice. The fact that anywhere beyond that line is American soil is crazy. It had come this close. This place is Canada, this place is America is quite confusing. Personal talk, I've never had such a view. Mostly I take eyes with pictures such as nature, but is that a fucking Apache helicopter?